death is not an ending, but it is a sending. Ibig sabihin, tayo ay hindi natatapos ang buhay natin dito sa mundo at isinusugo lamang natin ang isang taong namatay doon sa talagang kanyang tahanan, walang iba sa tahanan ng ating Panginoong Kristo.
You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life.
Kaya ang kamatayan ni Kuya Celso ay hindi katapusan, kundi ito'y isang pagsusugo. At kung pagsusugo ito, ay tayo'y mababawasan ng kaunti, maiibsan ang ating nararamdam na kalungkutan, sapagkat alam natin ngayong araw na ito sa pamamagitan ng ating mga panalangin, isusugo natin siya sa tahanan ng Amang lumikha sa atin.
To feel the sky within my reach, and I always will remember all the strength you gave to me.
Mr. Perey, Paring Celso, Ka Celso, Daddy Celso, and Lolo Celso, or what we fondly call him. Mga tawag sa kanya ng iba't ibang grupo ng tao sa buhay niya.
In my dreams I'll
Sabi ko ako'y magbimisa dahil simula pa ng aming pagkabata, itinuro na naming kaibigan si Kuya Celso. Kaya yun ang binasa kong ebanghelyo sapagkat gusto naming iparamdam kanya na sa huling hantungan ay yun pa rin ang aming pakiramdam. Kahit nung maliliit na bata kami hanggang ngayon na tumanda kami, eh siya ay isang Kuya Celso pa rin sa amin.
'Cause I always saw in you my light, my strength.
He was known as a generous and helpful person, especially to his relatives, friends, and of course, to us, his family. During the days of his wake, we heard so many stories that brought comfort to our hearts about how he helped others and how he touched countless lives.
Above the sky, in my heart there'll always be a
So sa lahat ng mga tulong na ginawa niya sa amin at ginawa niya sa inyo, sapagkat ang isa sa mga misyon niya sa buhay niya ay tumulong sa kapwa. Nagawa niya na yon, tungkulin niya ngayon, gawin natin ang para sa atin.
didn't know.
He kept going, and this brought our family even closer. This was never easy for him, knowing that he is an outgoing person. It tested us in ways we never imagined. But we overcame everything because we were together, bound by His strength, love, and strong faith in God. Di namin makakalimutan, Daddy, lahat ng naituro mo sa amin. The values that were instilled in us, and the good life that you and Mommy gave us.
Only dreaming. You're not really gone as long as I believe. There will be another angel around the throne tonight. Your love
Sana ang pagkamatay ni Kuya Celso hindi lamang kalungkutan ang naidudulot sa atin, kundi ipinapakita niya sa atin ang pag-asang naghihintay sa atin sa kabilang buhay.
God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight.
Daddy, thank you for everything. You're now free from your sickness and pain. We will miss you at every special occasion. Things will never be the same again, but we'll keep celebrating life because we know that that would make you happy.
Catch me when I'd fall in a world where heroes come and go. Well, God just took the only one I know. So I'll hold you as close as
Kami na po ang bahala kay Mommy. And don't worry too much up there. Lagi mo kaming gagabayan. Tulungan mo kami lagi maiparating ang prayers namin kay Jesus.
But until then, God must need another angel around the throne tonight.
This is not easy, but we find comfort knowing that you're in a better place. We love you so much, and you will forever live in our hearts and will never be forgotten.
Question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight.
Heaven gained another angel, one we will always love. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat. We are overwhelmed by all the love.
Tonight.